Personal protective equipment or PPE. The PPE that you must wear when using a chemical is shown in the safety section of the chemical label instructions. The amount of PPE required is specific to the chemical and is the minimum that is legally required to safely use that chemical. Remember, you can choose to wear more than label recommended PPE, but you cannot wear less. Most chemical labels will recommend a minimum of protection for your eyes and your hands. Always remember when putting on your PPE to protect your eyes first and your hands second. Your eyes can absorb 12 times more chemical than the skin on your forearm. Gloves should always be unlined and chemical resistant, such as nitrile or PVC. You should never wear cotton-lined or leather gloves, as these will absorb and retain not only chemical, but also germs that can lead to dermatitis on your hands. If a face mask is required, you should use a minimum of a P2 mask and preferably one that is impregnated with charcoal, as this provides much better protection from most common chemicals. If required to use a respirator, use only what is recommended by the chemical label. Remember to fit it properly so that it seals and provides appropriate protection. Do this by carrying out a simple fit test. By taking off the filters and placing your hands over the filter holes to form a seal, then suck in your breath, and if no air is getting through the seal between the mask and your face, you are being properly protected. Always remember that even a new respirator cartridge can be faulty, so that if you can smell chemical through your respirator cartridge, you need to dispose of them and install new ones immediately.